All right, here we are once again in the AI Copy Lab. I'm Andy O'Brien. Thank you for joining me for this video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button because we're constantly adding more videos. So subscribe so you don't miss any, because there's so much going on in the AI world when it comes to writing your own copy. And also, I'm going to be revising your copy on these videos as well, or not yours, but examples of copy. So this time around, we're going to hire ChatGPT to be our copywriting coach. All right. And because it's amazing what ChatGPT can do for you in the coaching arena. It can give you lots of advice on what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong with your copy, with writing your copy. So let's dive in. I'm going to share my screen and let's take a look at what I did here to ask ChatGPT to be my coach in the copywriting field. See up here, I said, I'd like you to be my copywriting coach and critique or even completely rewrite the copy that I give you so that it's as compelling and persuasive as possible. Okay. And it said, absolutely, I'd be happy to assist you in that role. Feel free to share any copy that you'd like for me to review, critique, or rewrite. All right. So what I did was last year I launched a sales page or launched a product on writing copy in the heart-centered space. So I pasted my entire sales page in here. So I said, okay, great. Here's the copy for a sales page I wrote. Please give me some constructive feedback. So in here is all the copy that I wrote for that sales page. It's pretty long, but it took it. Lots of bullet points, testimonials are in there, lots of stuff. So after I did that, it gave me the critique. Here it is. All right. First off, your sales page is quite extensive and detailed, which is great. You provide, here's the thing though, you have to have thick shoulder pads to take the criticism, right? Because ChatGPT doesn't care about your feelings. It's just going to give you constructive advice. You provide a lot of context and information to your potential customers about what they can expect from the course, but there are a few points for improvement and suggestions. I've been writing copy for 20 years, so I'm up for this type of criticism. I love to see some other opinions on what I've written. So it gives me headline, ways to make a better headline. It gives me an example to have a better headline here. Tells me to break up the text. It asks for, or it suggests a clearer call to action. Show, don't tell. I don't show enough examples or case studies in the sales page. It talks about the tone and the language. It says give an outline for the course. Adds more testimonials. Now, I didn't give it all the testimonials, so it says to give more, but more is already in there. Make sure that the bonus section's more attractive, it says. So not only does it give suggestions, but it gives me an actual rewrite of the headline and the first sentence and better descriptions for one of the modules. So that's ChatGPT as my copywriting coach. It's pretty wild. The fact that it will do that. So paste in anything you want. You can paste in an email or an email series or a blog or whatever it is you have going on. ChatGPT, if you tell it to be your copywriting coach, it will oblige. And there's just so many things it can do for you to help you. So until next time, this is the AI Copy Lab, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.